Hi students, today we are here to talk about cyberbullying. So first of all, what is cyberbullying? So it's any kind of embarrassing, demeaning, threatening, or harassing material posted using electronic technology. This includes text messages. Your cell phone is an electronic device. This includes things posted on social media. It's basically old school bullying, but now you've added technology into it. Some statistics, 7 of 10 teens have experienced cyberbullying. So if there's 10 of us sitting, 7 of us, only 3 of us haven't. So 70% of the people in this room have experienced cyberbullying at some point. The other thing is that girls are most likely to experience cyberbullying. So girls, we got to figure out a way to combat this. Social media is where most cyberbullying is experienced. Instagram is by far the highest with 42%. And Instagram, which is owned by Facebook, Facebook itself has 37%. So those two are the highest. Twitter, it's 9%. YouTube, it's 10%. And Snapchat is also a high percentage. It's in between Facebook and YouTube. So what are the negative effects of cyberbullying? First of all, people who experience cyberbullying experience depression, which can also lead to suicide. They can also experience aggression, meaning they go the other way. They've been picked on so much that they're going to start picking on other people. Students also have poor health. They just don't feel like getting out of bed anymore. They start letting their body go. They'll start eating poor things. They'll get sick more often. They just have overall poor health. And then poor academics. So students who experience cyberbullying, they avoid coming to school because they don't want to see that bully in person. They're less likely to graduate. And then they just have poor grades. They don't see the point in doing well in school anymore. So what can you do to stop it? So these are the students. What are you going to do? First of all, stand up. Stand up to the bully. Post something that says, you know what, that's not true. I know that girl for a fact is not like that. Remove it. So there are those report features on all the social media apps where you can hit remove or report. And then there's some extra questions to answer and it'll actually remove it. And then you need to report it. Report it to school administration and teachers so we can handle it and get it taken care of. So that is it about cyberbullying. Main thing you need to know is anything that is posted online, everyone can see. And if it is bullying in any way, there will be consequences. Thank you for listening.